Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown, a beginner's guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're continuing our Walther series. Today we're going to be talking about how to break down the Walther PDP pistol. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, we're going to make sure that this weapon is pointed in a safe direction, and then we're going to clear the weapon of any ammunition. So there's no magazine inserted, and now we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. So we're going to rack the slide to the rear, lock that back, and we're going to do our physical and visual inspection. All right, I see nothing, I feel nothing. Okay, that is clear. So we can go ahead and send this forward. And so for you to take off the slide, you're going to go ahead and have to pull the trigger. You're going to have to rack the slide back just a little bit. And you see this bar right here. This is one whole entire piece. There's one on the opposite side as well. I'll go ahead and show you. So it's right here, and it just travels along the whole entire way. So pull this back just a bit, pull that down, and then pull that slide off. Now you can go ahead and sit down your trigger housing group. We'll set that to the side. Now we're going to take off our guide rod and buffer. Or guide rod and spring, I'm sorry. So we'll set that right here. Next is going to be our barrel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to push this forward a little bit rather, and then push this down, and then pull that right out. And then you're just left with your slide. And that is how you break down your Walther PDP pistol. All right, so now let's go ahead and put it back together. So you're going to take your barrel, make sure that your hook side is facing down. And grab your slide, and you're going to put your barrel into the largest hole right here. Go ahead and drop that in. Next, you're going to grab your guide rod and your spring, and then you're going to make sure that this little cylindrical end is going to be sitting in this hole right here. And then this piece right here is going to sit into this little concave end right there. Okay, and this is what it should look like when you put it back together. Now we're going to go ahead and put it back on the slide. We're going to line up these lines and grooves with this silver. Well, it's kind of black. You're going to line this up with this right here, though, and rack that back all the way. And then it'll just lock back automatically, or it'll lock back in place automatically. Now we're going to go ahead and do what's called our functions check. So we're going to squeeze the trigger for a click. Next time, we're going to rack the slide back to reset the trigger. This time, we're going to hold the trigger down, and then we're going to rack the slide while we're holding it down. Squeeze for a click, keep it held down, rack the slide, and then when you release it, you should hear a soft clunk. And then we're going to squeeze the trigger again for a click, and then reset it one more time. And that is how you break down and reassemble and perform a functions check on your Walther PDP pistol. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please comment, subscribe, and share. Everything you do is going to help with the algorithm on YouTube. This will help me get exposure to more people and people that need this content. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day.